Hello everyone, welcome to my cleaning motivation channel. Thank you for clicking that play button and I hope you stay tuned for the entire video. Today I am sharing a whole house deep clean with you, real mom life motivation. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned to get that cleaning motivation that you need. So to begin with, we've got some stuck on grime from being outside on the side of my home right at the entryway. So I'm just using a microfiber cloth and some vinegar solution and dish soap as well. And I'm just going to wash that down as best as I possibly can to remove all that yuckiness and make it look new and refreshed. And this is my microfiber cloth. After cleaning outside for a while, I wipe down as many surfaces as I can along my front porchway, and you can see how bad it had built up over the season. Then I continued inside my home, removing debris from my entryway doormat. And of course, this area gets a lot of hard love. There's people coming in with all kind of stuff on their shoes, so I try to deep clean this as best as I possibly can. So I have an iRobot Roomba that I use in my front entryway room. I use it quite often in there every day because I have the cat's litter box. So I'll probably let it run about 3 times a day, every day for the most part. So it gets filled up pretty soon. So we often forget that these need to be deep cleaned as well. So I'm taking that apart right now. I'm emptying it out and I'm deep cleaning my Roomba so that I can get it ready for the next couple of days. And next, I'm just going to do some quick laundry, folding some towels that I threw into the dryer earlier. Windowsills is something that I also wipe down quite often. The little kitties like to sit in there a lot. If that makes them happy, that's fine. But I just have to wipe those down often because they can get really dirty really fast. And next, I'm just giving my dining room table a good wipe down and a good clean to remove dust and debris. And next, you see me going along the bottom white borders of my walls. Those also collect dirt and grime really fast, so I try to wipe those down as often as I can. I love this little gadget I purchased off Amazon a few years ago. It allows me to get the fur and anything else, any lost trash that has got up underneath my sofas really easily. And next, I'm just continuing into my kitchen, cleaning off my countertops. Also giving my stove a good wipe down because it can get a lot of grease built up. And next, I'm just continuing on with another day, of course, of duties of unloading the dishwasher and putting the clean dishes away